One day, Prophet Abraham A.S. came to the house of his son Ishmael A.S. At the door, he found Ishmael's wife. Abraham asked, "Where is your husband?" She replied, "He has gone out hunting." Then Abraham asked her, "And how is life with you? How are your food and drink?" She complained, "We have nothing. Life is very hard." Abraham quietly left, but before leaving he said, "When your husband returns, give him my message. Change the door of your house." Later, when Ishmael came back, his wife told him what happened. Ishmael immediately understood. He said, "That was my father Abraham. He means I must separate from you." And so Ishmael divorced her. Sometime later, Abraham visited again. This time, Ishmael had a new wife. Abraham asked her, "Where is your husband?" She said, "He has gone hunting." Then Abraham asked, "And how is life with you?" She smiled and said, "Alhamdulillah, we are blessed. We have plenty. We are grateful to Allah." She even offered Abraham milk and meat. Abraham raised his hands in prayer and blessed her home. Before leaving, he told her, "When your husband returns, tell him, the door of your house is good. Keep it." When Ishmael came back, his wife shared everything. Ishmael smiled and said with joy, "That was my father Abraham. And by his words, I know you are a blessing for me." From that moment, Ishmael knew his father was guiding him. And through Abraham, the sign of Allah was revealed. Wherever you stand in gratitude, build for Allah and invite people to His worship.
Thank you for watching my video. I will be back with my new video. Follow me, you don't miss it, my new video. Thank you. Bye.